How to fix the issue with network buffering. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with network buffering in Valorant by setting best settings. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Valorant application and head towards the settings section. Simply choose the option of video and go to general. As you can see, we have different settings here. All you need to do is make changes to certain like limit FPS on battery, max FPS on battery, and the below features. You can simply take a screenshot of the screen and then make changes in your settings of Valorant. Now, after making the settings changes in your Valorant application, if your problem is still not solved, I would suggest that you should update your Valorant application in your device and then restart your device once. After that, once you open the Valorant application, with your internet connection, the network buffering issues will also be solved. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with network buffering in Valorant. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.